everything look good, and then you just see that part and it's just like, not your real hair. Hey queens, it's your girl Nene. Today I am trying out a new method called the Band-Aid method, which is basically supposed to cover up those ugly knots in our lace parting wigs and our lace frontals and give it a more natural look. So guys, I did not come up with this method. I saw it on YouTube a couple of times and I decided to give it a try to see, is it really worth the hype? Is it the truth? And does it work? Hey Queendom crew, welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm going to show you another bomb wig review. Y'all know we be coming with these slaves back to back, day to day. Yes. First, I'm going to try a new method to basically hide the knots on your lace or your lace parting. And I saw this method on YouTube. I saw a couple YouTubers do it. If I can remember who they were, I will tag them in the description, but I honestly can't really remember because I'm just constantly watching videos on YouTube. But basically you use regular bandages. There is a specific type, I think, but girl, I ain't doing all that. I'm finna just try it with regular bandages, okay? So I have some regular bandages that I found in my house, and of course the bigger bandages will probably work better, but we're just gonna see if this is gonna work. And I really hope it works because them knots are really annoying. Like, that's how people can tell when you have a wig on, because everything look good and then you just see that part and it's just like, not your real hair. So anyways, we're gonna try this, girl. The unit that I'm going to be trying it with is by Zury Sis, and this is Ari 24, and I have it in the color 2. Okay, so make sure you guys keep watching. Tell me what you think in the comments. Would you try this method? And yeah, God, please don't let this be a failure. Okay. All right, queen, so this is what Ari looks like. The wig is not new, but it is fairly popular. So I'm just taking out a regular bandage and I am placing it on top of my wig cap. Now, this is just my trial. I'm sure there's probably a more secure way to do this, but I just want to see if it's going to work, okay? So here I'm placing the wig on. It does look a little rough at first, but I promise you, sis, keep watching, okay? So here I'm just taking out some baby hairs and I am using style control, I believe that's what it's called, to lay down my edges as well as some of the baby hairs that comes with the wig. So from there, I did decide to kind of adjust my wig so that Band-Aid is not sticking out. And from there, I plucked the parting space with my hands just to give it a little bit more wiggle room, open it up a little bit. And I do this with a lot of my units, and I honestly was plucking pretty fast. If you pluck your own units, make sure you guys take your time because you do not want to mess your wig up. I've just been doing this for so long, I just kind of freehand it. And here I'm adding some foundation to blend the parting space and my scalp as well as the color of the Band-Aid. So the Band-Aid that you choose needs to relatively be close to the color of your scalp. Mine was a little bit lighter, but it still turned out pretty nice at the end, which I'll show you at the end of the video. So here I did a little bit more editing just to darken that part a little bit. I used one of my darker foundations to kind of edit that. And the final result, once I did all of that, looked pretty good to me. Here I'm just adding some Got To Be glue spray just to pull those flyaways down because they were out of control, honey. And this is the final look. So all in all, I could see how this method would work. I definitely think you need to do like some trial and error so you can pick the right bandage color for you. But I really like it, and I feel like the wig looked so much better after I did the editing process than straight out of the package. So the Bandage method, I think, does work, and I'll definitely be using this more often. So guys, let me know what you think about this method. I'm going to give you a 360 of Ari if you're interested in her. She is classic, honey. She's affordable and she's so cute. And comment below if you would ever use this method. Love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.